When we think about the most dangerous animals, our minds often gravitate toward lions, sharks, or venomous snakes. However, there are many lesser-known creatures lurking in the shadows, hidden in plain sight, with far more lethal capabilities than we could ever imagine. In this video, we'll introduce you to some of the most dangerous animals you've never heard of. From tiny marine creatures to massive land mammals, these animals are capable of inflicting harm in ways that are far more deadly than their appearances might suggest. The pufferfish. At first glance, the pufferfish may seem harmless, inflating into a spiky ball when threatened. However, within its body, it carries toxin, a potent neurotoxin that is 1,200 times more toxic than cyanide. This toxin blocks sodium channels in the body, paralyzing muscles and leading to respiratory failure. A single pufferfish can contain enough toxin to kill 30 adults. Despite the obvious danger, pufferfish are considered a delicacy in Japan, where they are prepared by specially trained chefs. Still, fatalities occur yearly from untrained individuals attempting to prepare the fish themselves. Even with careful preparation, traces of the toxin may remain, making the pufferfish a deadly, if sought-after, creature. The box jellyfish. The box jellyfish, found in the coastal waters of northern Australia and Southeast Asia, is often considered the most venomous creature on Earth. This translucent, bell-shaped jellyfish has tentacles lined with millions of microscopic stinging cells called nematocysts. When these cells come into contact with skin, they inject venom that causes paralysis and extreme pain. The venom can also lead to death within minutes by inducing cardiac arrest. The venom acts quickly, causing victims to die from respiratory failure before they even reach shore. Box jellyfish are nearly invisible in the water, making encounters all the more dangerous. Because of their potency, many beaches in Australia and Southeast Asia have protective nets and vinegar stations to neutralize the venom. The Cape buffalo. On the African savanna, the Cape buffalo, or African buffalo, is one of the deadliest creatures on the continent. Despite being herbivorous, Cape buffalo are responsible for more human deaths in Africa than lions or elephants. These massive animals are armed with large, curved horns used for defense and territorial disputes. What makes them particularly dangerous is their aggression. Cape buffalo are notorious for charging at high speeds when threatened, often without provocation. Capable of running at 35 miles per hour and weighing over 2,000 pounds, a single charge from a buffalo can break bones or cause fatal goring. The Cape buffalo is especially dangerous when protecting its herd and will work together to fend off predators. While they are generally peaceful, their unpredictable nature makes them one of the most formidable animals in Africa. The cone snail. The cone snail, despite its seemingly harmless and beautiful appearance, is one of the deadliest marine creatures. Found in tropical oceans, particularly in the Indo-Pacific region, cone snails use a harpoon-like tooth to inject venom into their prey. The venom of the cone snail is a potent neurotoxin that paralyzes its prey, allowing the snail to feed at its leisure. What makes the cone snail particularly dangerous is its venom's ability to kill humans. A sting from the cone snail can cause paralysis, respiratory failure, and, in some cases, death. There is no known antidote for the venom, making the cone snail one of the most dangerous marine creatures. While the snail is not aggressive by nature, it can still deliver a fatal sting if provoked. The Brazilian wandering spider. The Brazilian wandering spider, found in the rainforests of South America, is one of the deadliest spiders in the world. Unlike other spiders that wait in webs for prey, the Brazilian wandering spider actively hunts its food, roaming the forest floor. This aggressive hunter is known for its large size, reaching up to 5 inches in leg span, and its venom, which contains a potent neurotoxin. The venom causes intense pain, paralysis, and in extreme cases, death. Although fatalities are rare due to available anti-venom, a bite from this spider can lead to respiratory failure if not treated promptly. Brazilian wandering spiders are often found in human dwellings where they seek warmth and shelter. Their aggressive nature and tendency to bite when threatened make them a danger to people living in areas where these spiders are common. The saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile, found in Southeast Asia, Australia, and the eastern coast of India, is the largest and most dangerous reptile on Earth. Growing up to 23 feet in length and weighing over 2,000 pounds, the saltwater crocodile is a ruthless predator, It uses its massive size and powerful jaws to ambush and capture prey, including large mammals, birds, and even sharks. Capable of striking with incredible speed, the saltwater crocodile can lunge from the water and capture its prey in a fraction of a second. Its bite force is strong enough to crush bones, and it is known to wait for hours or days before attacking its prey. The saltwater crocodile's intelligence and ambush tactics make it a formidable predator, and it is responsible for numerous attacks on humans every year. The Portuguese man-o'-war. The Portuguese man-o'-war, often mistaken for a jellyfish, is a colonial organism that floats on the surface of the ocean. Its long, venomous tentacles can extend up to 165 feet, making it one of the longest creatures in the world. The tentacles contain stinging cells called nematocysts that inject venom into their prey. This venom can cause excruciating pain, paralysis, and in some cases, death. The Portuguese man-o'-war's sting is incredibly painful and can be life-threatening if the venom is not neutralized quickly. While encounters with the Portuguese man-o'-war are relatively rare, swimmers and beachgoers who come into contact with its tentacles may suffer severe stings that require immediate medical attention. Despite its beauty, the Portuguese man-o'-war is a silent killer lurking beneath the waves. The golden poison dart frog. The golden poison dart frog, found in the rainforests of Colombia, is one of the most toxic creatures on Earth. This small, brightly colored amphibian is known for the potent toxins it secretes from its skin. These toxins, called batrachotoxins, are incredibly powerful and can cause paralysis, heart failure, and death. The golden poison dart frog's bright yellow color serves as a warning to potential predators, signaling that it is not to be messed with. The frog's toxins are so potent that just a single gram can kill up to 200,000 mice. Despite their tiny size, these frogs are some of the deadliest creatures in the animal kingdom. The inland taipan. The inland taipan, also known as the fierce snake, is often regarded as the most venomous snake in the world. Found in the deserts of Australia, this highly elusive snake has venom that is 50 times more toxic than that of the Indian cobra. The venom of the inland taipan works by attacking the blood's ability to clot, leading to internal bleeding, organ failure, and death. Fortunately, the inland taipan is extremely rare and avoids human contact, so bites are uncommon. However, its venom is potent enough to kill a human in under an hour if not treated with antivenom. The inland taipan is a master of camouflage and can be difficult to spot in the wild, making it an elusive and potentially deadly predator. From the depths of the ocean to the rainforests of South America, the animal kingdom is full of creatures that are far more dangerous than we realize. While some are well known for their lethal abilities, others remain hidden in the shadows, waiting for unsuspecting prey. The animals featured in this video are just a few examples of how nature has created deadly creatures with unique and potent abilities. Whether it's the venom of a small marine snail or the strength of a massive crocodile, these animals prove that danger can come from the most unexpected places. It's a reminder that, in the wild, there are dangers lurking at every turn, and we must always be cautious when encountering the unknown.